This video will walk you through connecting an Android device to NYU Wi-Fi. NYU Wi-Fi is how you connect to the internet. We kept it simple. The network is named NYU. It's available at most NYU locations. You may see other NYU-affiliated networks, but NYU is the one to use for the best connection. Before you get started, please note that Android systems can vary. This means some of the options may have slightly different names or be in a different order. To connect, go to an NYU Wi-Fi-enabled location, like Bobst or Dibner Library, Kimmel Center, your residence hall, a computer lab, or a classroom building. Go to your device's settings and select Wireless and Networks. In the list of available networks, find and select NYU. For identity, enter your NYU Net ID, not your email address. If you see a field for anonymous identity, leave it blank. For password, enter your NYU password. For CA certificate or Use System certificates, select Use System Certificate. For online certificate status, select Don't Validate. For domain, enter nyu.edu. If asked for EAP method, select PEAP, and for Phase 2 authentication, select MSC HAPV2. Check the box to Remember this network. That way, you won't have to do this every time you connect. Click Join. You'll be asked to verify a security certificate. Click Continue. And that's all there is to it. Your device is on NYU Wi-Fi. Having trouble connecting? Check out nyu.edu/it/Wi-Fi for instructions and tips.